Alright y'all, quick cold cut hunt and everything looking hella dry, y'all. Right, y'all, pulled up to the back. Just not seeing anything we are looking for, y'all. Holy 151 restock Batman. Peep that, that's nice right there, y'all. Not what we are looking for, but we might have to grab one. Some chilling rain, sheesh. Alright y'all, welcome back. My name is Just Another Collector, and today we gonna be cracking and opening some Shimmering Skies. We gonna try to give away that PSA 8 first chapter pack, and we gonna give away that Jim Hawkins PSA 9, y'all. Enough of the chit chat, let's just get straight into it. Alright y'all, now can't say if I got 14 or 15 packs, but we got a dope little rip, y'all. Again, sort of like in football, well not football, just sports cards in general. Let me focus up. The term is hangers are bangers. The Earth Giant, love seeing the Titans. Oath, Simba, I feel like the blisters have the hitters, y'all. Healing Touch, the homie Happy, Prince John, Clara Bell. Y'all already see her doing damage in the meta right now. Everybody's telling me if I pull that, let me know. We got Stitch coming into our rares. Namari. Speaking of, y'all, our first pack Magic, Clara Bell. We pulled that foil, so we got that code for you to match, y'all. Not too bad. Fix It Felix Jr. on our first code foil. Now it is looking like this set is here to stay, y'all. I am hearing nothing but good things. Let me know how what decks y'all running right now. One of the main channels I follow is like Lorcana Goons. It's such a dope channel because he kind of mixes with like kind of how the market is fluctuates based on tournaments and how everything goes during the week. It's so crazy. At first, people, you know, you would consider it by the artwork and all that. People follow the artists. Certain people go by artists. But I love seeing how if they win a tournament with Amber or Amethyst or something, you'll see something, certain cards spike. It's crazy. Followed by another rare. We got Gaston and the Maid Marian. But word, that's another thing too, y'all. Put me on to some dope channels. Definitely dope to learn more about it, you dig? Got Wifey actually doing more openings. Got her and the 9-year-old now cracking cards. That's dope. I love seeing more like family channels. Night Howler, Potion of Might. Again, stay tuned in a second. There is so much more color to this card. I'm seeing so many variations of this. We are going to be giving away the PSA 8 first chapter. And we going to be giving away a PSA 9 code for you, Jim Hawkins, y'all. Finders Keepers coming into our rares. Rapunzel's Towers. Sherwood Forest. Sheriff of Nottingham. And a Potion of Might. But yeah, man, we ended up pulling a winner for that PSA 8 pack. And seems like the dude gave up on the kid, gave up on the channel. We didn't hit our mark fast enough, you dig? I respect it. He gave up. So get somebody else to chant your dig. So hopefully y'all still following your dig. And at the end of the day, you're welcome, you dig. Bashful. That's funny. Magic of the spell. Don't work. Wifey definitely gonna add this to the PC. Focus up a bit. Okay, our first super rare, the opening. We got Grumpy. Let's go. Into a common King Candy. But we're Clarabelle looking like the dopest pull of the set right now. We are hunting a Mufasa before we give in and cop one, you dig. Zazu, Francis. But that's definitely something that I don't want to just cop online. I would like to end up, I feel that's the first one we pulled. Food Fight Defender Mickey. You're welcome. Would have been funny to see Bashful behind it. Coming into all rares. I really like that artwork. Need that in a cold foil. Sir Ector. Okay. Our first. We will take that. Vanellope Von Schweetz to go with that promo. Hold up. Let's go. Y'all already see the card saver. This bad boy is off to PSA sooner or later. But might have to add that to the sub too, you dig? Now, speaking of, let's just get to it. Shouts out to everybody who subscribed, commented, liked, and all that. Definitely appreciate all the support. As I like to say, I am just another collector, y'all. So, don't want to just take up too much time, because we do want to give away that Jim Hawkins as well. So, like the first giveaway, we are going to spin this bad boy 3 times. So, just to give it a bit of a random, I apologize to the 2 names it lands on at first, but the 3rd name is the giveaway winner. So it's randomize it, and on the 3rd go is the winner. Alright, y'all. Good luck to everybody. Appreciate y'all all. Alright. Jim. Sorry about that. I know it's such a thing to see your name get pulled out. Alright, y'all. This one is for all the marbles. I appreciate all y'all though. Good luck. Ja2, holla at your BOY, man. Let's get in these comments. I'll give you some contact information. Free of charge, homie. Appreciate the support. I appreciate everybody else for rocking with us. Definitely a nice little piece to add to the collection, you dig. Hopefully you are still subscribed. Hopefully you still see this. Now let's get back to it, you dig. Now, I'm not too sure, like, how to, speaking of, let's get another Vanellope Von Schweetz, Archimedes, the pop report on that, but I'm sure a 10 will command more of a premium, but I feel like that is definitely a nice little display piece. Shenzi, Glimmer versus Glimmer. Magical Aid coming into all. Let's go. Start with a super rare queen, fairest of all, Gal Gadot. Is that what we talking about, y'all? Can we see a legendary? We will take that though. That's a nice sign. Who's with me? Focus up so we could get that nice little shimmer. Can we double up on the Vanellope Von Schweetz? Oh, no way. We pulled this last time. Remember who you are. Code for you. I will take that, y'all. Still nothing too crazy. That Clarabelle is definitely our banger of the day. Let's see if we're saving the hitters for last, y'all. We got Flora, the Fairy Godfather. The God Fairy. We got Daisy Duck. Penelope Vaughn Sweets. The Retrosphere. Vision of the Future. When Will My Life Begin? Ed. If y'all know that Ed is the king, y'all. Arthur. Christoph. Okay. Coming into a Olaf. We definitely need that enchanted, y'all. Need to speak that into existence. Into a code for you. Robin Hood. Now, the market on this set is definitely looking solid, definitely looking stable. Is this something that y'all see, like the booster prices maybe not hitting that $100 mark? Because that's something I was kind of looking forward to. Every other set kind of at some point tanked. This is a dope artwork. Pete the Pastry Chomper, Blueberry Dog in it. Wifey love Blueberry. I'm going to show her that. Duck for cover. That's cool. The Queen. Cruelest of them all. I don't know about y'all. And I might end up losing some subscribers. But we are very excited for the Snow White movie, y'all. At least to watch it and come up with our own opinion of it. But we are not just one of those people who want to dog it just to dog it. Madam Mim, that is actually a dope card. Let's go. Another code for you. Can we not double up? Sir Hector. Super, not super rare. Code for you rare. We will take that. But definitely something we looking forward to watching, y'all. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. Got Bonsai. Evil Comes Prepared. I would love that in a cold foil. The Knock. Medal of Heroes. Royal Guard. I was going to say, did we not just... Okay, coming into all rares. Coda. Let's go. Prince Naveen. Legendary. First time pulling that. I will take that. Let's go. Followed up by Aransas. That is not too bad, y'all. I believe, yeah, about 6 packs left. Still got that Jim Hawkins giveaway, so make sure y'all are still watching, you dig? I don't know when I'm going to do that. We are just another dude with an iPhone, a tripod, and an unhealthy relationship with shiny cardboard, y'all. I'm just winging it, you dig? Maleficent. That is a cool card. Why is she looking like she at the club behind the ropes right now? Vex Barty go. I'm bugging. That's hilarious. I was reading Awkward Situation. Robin Hood. That's a cool card. Got Bashful coming into our rares. The Queen. Robin Hood, the Timely Contestant. And a Flora Code Foil. 5 packs left. Are we saving the bangers for last? Man, I was trying to get a PSA video out this week. FedEx played me, y'all. It's Snowana. So definitely stay tuned for that, because we got a crazy PSA video. Maybe our biggest cards ever. And I know people say that every video is gonna be their biggest and but sheesh, it ain't a long video, y'all, but definitely something you might want to watch. We know the way. That's cool. I think that's my first time pulling this card. And the Radigan, we pulled that in the cold foil rare. Alright, got the homie Ed, Radigan, Fix It Felix, Merlin again, Hey, Ho Ho, May Marion, Bashful, the Great Illuminary, Fairest of them all, super rare, take that. And the Bruni cold foil. Last 3 packs, y'all. Okay, that feels kind of weird. Snowana Rambo, Hypnotic Deduction, Gazelle, Tanana, Sleepy, coming into all rares, Doc, Magic of Dispel, and a Radigan's Party Cold Foil. Okay. Alright, y'all. Let's not waste too much more of y'all time. Like the first one, we gonna spin it 3 times, and on the 3rd spin, we gonna have our winner, y'all. Now for the Hawkins, I can't really find it at the moment. Let's just get to it, y'all. But this is something that I don't really feel like it might not. Your boy Allen, shout out to the homie Allen. Definitely, if y'all not watching his channel, he's like one of my favorite kids right now. Definitely tune in. Alright, y'all, this is for the money for all the Marbles. Definitely appreciate all y'all. This was also a separate video, so that's why there's much less names. I don't know if I mentioned that, but good luck, y'all. But definitely a dope card to have at the end of the day, you dig? And it'll get out to you free of charge, y'all. Eric, I seen that. Eric, shouts out to the homie Shiny Ricardo. Definitely make sure you tap in those comments, bro. And we will get that Jim Hawkins PSA 9 out to you ASAP. Congrats to both of the winners. Hopefully y'all still subscribed. Say that 3 times, but wanted to do that before I pulled this Mufasa Enchanted. You dig? Zazu, Rancis, Penelope, Vaughn Sweets, Ever After, really like that card. Dopey, Magical Aid, Sleepy, coming into all rares, y'all. Sherwood Forest, Mother Gothel, let's go. I think that's my first time pulling that. Let's go. I ain't gonna hold y'all. This is like my uncommon chase. Sheesh. I don't wanna. Let's go. That would have been a nice last pack, but see, we got that Clarabelle Mufasa in this last pack, y'all. Appreciate y'all for rocking. Definitely figure out our next giveaway. Stay tuned. We got Lilo baking it up. Earth Giant, Oath, Sneezy, Merlin, Bruni, 7 Dwarves Mine, coming into a tug of war. Super rare Kronk. And our last card, y'all. Oh, you're welcome. My name is just another collector, and as usual, happy hunting, y'all.